Hello student, good afternoon. So in our previous lectures we have discussed literature part, that is a poem Wake Up, right? So today we are going for our grammar part. In that we are going to start unit 1, nouns. Okay, so now before I start what is noun, I would like to, I want to say you student that when you go outside with your parents, do one thing, make a list of 10 to 20 things, what whichever whatever you see in surrounding you. Okay, and make it in different category like eating place, book place, or some other shop. Okay. And later you see in that you see food shop, books, clothes. In this situation we cannot go, but presume if you have went, then you might see ice cream shop, water shop, fruit shop, books, toys, shoe shop, clothes, and restaurant, security room, all different things you see. So those things, what are those things? Those things are nouns. Before we discuss nouns here, I want to introduce some few other parts, that is a part of us parts of a speech. Okay, so in a next slide I'm going to show you parts of speech. So let's see what is the parts of speech. Sentences are made up of a different parts. Obviously, see if you see this line itself, there is a different word. Sentence is a different word. Made up is a different word. Are is a different word. Different itself is a different word. So you see, every sentence are made up of a different words. That is correct. Correct. So now in this, these words are of a different types and have a different function. So every word has a different meaning and their role in the sentence are different. So they do different action, or they support different things, like they might be connecting two sentence, they might be separating two sentence. So these different functions are there, and we categorize these words into 8 parts of a speech. So these different things are there, different function the words are doing. So we have categorized those words or those things in 8 different parts. In 8 different parts of a speech we have categorized it. So in the next slide you can see the different parts of a speech. Here you see parts of a speech. So here, noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, interjection, conjunction. So this all 8 are the parts of a speech. So in this lecture, and I know you are having a doubt what are these things in parts of a speech. So here in this chapter we are going to discuss noun only. Remaining we will discuss it in our future chapters. So don't bother about that now. focus on a noun. Okay, understood? Okay, so these are parts of a speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Okay, so now we will go for a next slide, that is noun. Now we will discuss noun. What is noun? Okay, so what is noun? Noun is a naming word. Noun you might have studied in previous standard, but here we are again going to discuss it. What is noun? A noun is a naming word. If anything, any person, any place, and any animal, anything which has a name, that naming word we call it as a noun. Understood? Please read this line. A noun is a naming word. It tells us the name of person, a place, an animal, or a thing. So please read this line, student. Understand the meaning. I am holding myself few seconds. Okay. Okay, student. I am considering you might have read it. Okay. Again, I will repeat. A noun is a naming word. It tells us the name of a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. Okay, so what is noun? If any person name like Raju, Sanjay, or any place, stadium, cricket ground, or an animal like cow, buffalo, or a thing like pen, pencil, book. So those are a name. Those name are nouns. Okay. So now we will see in next slide. Read these sentences. Okay. First, read these sentences. So here, first, the children are playing outside. Your horse is beautiful. The cat meowed. The glass broke. Okay. So here, children are the noun because it's a naming of a small kid. That is a children. We are denoting some kid. That children. So it is a noun. Your house is beautiful. So house also a noun. Okay. Then we see cat. Cat is a kind of animal. In our definition itself says an animal. So here cat is an animal. So that is also. And a thing. Glass is a thing. Okay. So glass also a noun. So I will write down here what are these categories of this noun. So you can easily understand it. The children. Okay. Children. So that is used for people. Okay. When we use children word, whenever we used for a people, we used children word. Correct. When we use this word, whenever we are denoting some people, we use the word children. So used for denoting people. Then here house is there. That is name of a place. Okay. So now cat. Okay. So what is cat? Cat is a name of an animal. Cat. So cat is name of an animal. Okay. And the last is glass. So glass is a kind of thing. So it is a name of a thing. Name of a thing. Okay. So now here, what you understood from this, that what you understood here in about of what is the noun? So the name, like the nouns are a name of a people, place, animal, and things. They also called naming word. So here I have explained that children use for a people, house, name of a place, cat, name of an animal, and a glass is the name of a thing. So all of those are things are people, place, animals, and things name. So these children, house, cat, and glass are the noun. So I'll write down here in a sentence so you better understand this thing. Okay. So let me write down it. The words children, then house, then cat, and glass are nouns. Okay, so these words are nouns. Did you understood? Did you understood this thing? Oh, so now I will we will have some example about the nouns. Okay, here I have made one table. Let's read some more examples of nouns. So let's write down some nouns. Okay. Okay. So first, before before I write down the example, you student tell me how we can define the people. Uh, okay, here. Okay. So tell me any people, like noun, places noun, animals noun, or things noun. Anything you remember, anything comes in your mind, anything. Okay, I'm giving you 2 seconds to think about that. Think it. Okay, so let's start. People. What in type of people? We can say name. Mohan, Sohan, Amy, anything. Like I'll write down here. Mohan, Sohan, Amy. So these are some people name. Mohan, Sohan are a boy name. Amy, girl's name. So these are different names that can be that is a noun. and then artist, some singer, and some dancer are there, so they are the artist. So those are also a type of a people, so those also are noun. Those thing, artist also a noun. Then you can say shopkeeper. Okay, so these are also a noun. I will little enlarge the text for you so you can see it. Okay, okay. Mohan, Sohan, Amy, artist and shopkeeper. Here, if you notice, I have wrote down Mohan, Sohan, Amy in a capital letter. Word is starting from capital letter. Why is that so? Why? Because those are a proper noun. So those things we will discuss in our next lecture. But for now, keep this thing in your mind that whenever any person name which is a unique thing like India, India is a country, but it is a unique. In world, you will not see other country with the name of India. So India is a unique. Taj Mahal is a unique. Mohan is one person name. It is a unique. So whenever this unique thing comes, you will write it with a capital letter. For now, you keep this point in your mind. In future lecture, in future topic, when we come for a proper noun, that time we will discuss this point. Okay. Now we go for some places. Okay. What are the places? Cricket ground, hospital, mall, Qutub Minar, India Gate, Taj Mahal, Agra. So those are places. Those are noun, but places noun. Okay. So let me write down here India Gate, then Qutub Minar. So these two are a unique. That's why we wrote first letter capital. Okay. Then mall, then hospital. Also you can write as a temple. Okay. This also you can write temple. So these are places. Okay. These are places. And next we will see animal. So you see in your regular life animals are there like a buffalo, cow, spider, swan, sheep. So those are animal type noun, buffalo. Then I would say sheep, then swan, spider, dog. So these are different animal type. Animal type. What can I say? Now, now next we will see things. What are the things? We can say that comb, ladder, mug, washing machine. You might have seen here in your home if you have a washing machine. That is kind of thing. So washing machine name is a noun. Mug, that is a noun. Ladder, that is a noun. Comb, that is a noun. So these are a different nouns. So let me revise once. Then we'll go for exercise. First we saw parts of a speech. Every sentence has a different words, and those different word has a different function. So we categorize those words into 8 parts of a speech. And what are those 8 categories? Those are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. These 8 are different categories. Later we have seen what is noun. So we understood the meaning of a noun. Noun is a naming word. It tells us the name of a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. Like your friend name is Sanjay, so Sanjay is a name of a person. So Sanjay is a naming word. So that is a noun. Okay, then that is a noun. So we have seen few example about that. Here we have seen that the children are playing outside. Your house is beautiful. The cat meowed. The glass broke. So all of the in this children is for people now. House is for place. Cat is for animal. Glass is for things. So these are a different naming names are there, which are a noun of different thing like people naming, that is children, that is noun. Place naming, house, that is noun. And animal naming, that is cat, that is noun. Name of a thing, we here it is a glass, so that is a noun. So these different sentences we have seen, and later last we have seen that different more example of a noun. So here for people category we have seen Mohan, Sohan, Amy, artists, shopkeepers. These are a noun. For place naming, place names like India Gate, Qutub Minar, mall, hospital, temple. So these are noun. Animals we have seen buffalo, sheep, swan, spider, dog. You can say cow also here. So those are animal nouns. Things, comb, ladder, mug, washing machine, pen, books. So those are notebooks. So those are things which we have given a different names. So those names are nouns. So till now we have understood. Now we will go for one exercise. Okay. Now we will go for an exercise. And what we will do here, once we finish the exercise, I think we will finish only first one exercise. In the next lecture, we will finish our remaining exercise. Okay. Okay. So let's discuss. Here I have wrote down the exercise. You can find it in your book. Okay. In your book, you can read all the chapter, all the topics we have discussed here. Okay. So let's see. Children like to eat the slot. Sorry. What is the task here? We will see that first. So identify the correct noun for each description. Choose your answer from the box one has done for you. So here from below box, that is in the box we have mentioned milk, sun, camel, blue whale, nose, ice cream. So we have to identify the correct noun for each description. In here below there are 6 descriptions are there. So we have to choose our answer from the box which indicates that description. Okay. So here one example is given. It is very large sea animal. So blue whale is too large. So that is also sea animal. So here our answer is blue whale. Similarly, now we will see the next. Okay, children like to eat this a lot. What children like to eat? Milk, sun, camel, nose, or ice cream. So we all know children likes ice cream only. Correct? So our answer is ice cream. I will highlight with a different color here. Okay. 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 Now we will see next, because ice cream denotes the that children likes to eat this a lot. Obviously it's ice cream, children likes to eat ice cream much more. Okay. Now the next thing is the next sentence. It shines bright in the sky during the day. So what thing shines in a day? Moon, sun, what light, anything will be there. So if you see, moon will not be visible in the daytime. And in our box there is a milk, sun, camel, bluebell, nose, ice cream is option. So only sun. Sun we know that it shines brightly in the sky, and that is also in a day. So our answer is sun. So sun will be shine, shine sun shines brightly in the sky during the day. Okay, so we'll go for the next sentence, that is, we drink this white liquid. What is the white liquid that we drink? Obviously, in from our box we can see that milk is a white, and that we also drink that thing. We have to understand the sentence, then we have to identify the correct similar word meaning part. So here it is a milk, correct? So we eat milk, we drink white liquid, that is a milk. Okay. And next we use this part of our face for smelling and breathing. So in our face, everyone has a face, that is correct. Okay, so if you see in your face, from where you get smelling, where you feel smelling, that is nose. Obviously from nose you breathe and smell the thing. So our answer for this sentence is nose. And the last is, this large animal has a long neck. This large animal has a long neck and one or two humps. Obviously, the remaining word is camel. Camel has a large neck and two humps in his waist. Okay, if you have seen a camel image or in a real life, you can easily identify that that is the answer. Camel is the answer here. So camel, camel. Okay. So what we understood here, that we use this part of our faces for smelling and breathing, that is nose, and this large animal has a long neck. The large This large animal has a long neck and one or two horns. That is camel. So we have finished our exercise. We have understood the noun, and you can easily understand here also how noun denotes the thing. See, large sea animal we have named is a blue whale. Children likes ice cream. Who shines brightly, that is a sun. What is a white liquid, that is a milk. From where we smell, that is a nose. And a long neck animal, that is a camel. So these all blue whale, ice cream, sun, milk, nose, camel, those are a naming. So those are a noun. Okay. Remaining to exercise we will see in our next grammar class. Okay student. So please read this exercise and that noun part, understand it, see the example, try to write down few more example from your surround. Okay, and I will upload a homework in our portal. Please find and work on that. If you have any doubt, you connect me any way it is possible, or through our website, any way it is possible, or calling, any way it is possible, you connect me. I will help you with that. Okay, read it, understand it, do this exercise, and try to do other exercise if you can. In next lecture, we will discuss it. Till then, bye. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.